Mm, mm. What up, what up, what up, people? How we doing? How we doing this morning? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Uh, Happy Tuesday to you guys. Happy Tuesday. Hope your Monday went well. We're gonna start this thing right off, man. As y'all can see, I got my hair cut. I'm shaved up and all that good stuff, man. We're gonna start this off. I feel pretty good this morning. I'm gonna tell you something right now. I'm going to tell you something right now. My last three videos, I have 2 views. That's deuce. Two. Uno dos. Dos. Or zwei. Or ein, zwei. Zwei is German for two. Ein, zwei, drei, fünf, six, seven. Ox, neun, zehn. I think I skipped one number. Anyway, 2 views, y'all. 2 views. And my confidence level on this Tuesday morning is up so high. I'm telling you that I'm going to one day look back at this video and say, wow. Let me plug my headphones in so I can hear myself. I'm gonna look back at this video and other videos and say, wow. 2 views. 2 views, huh? Yeah, and one of the views is mine, and the other view is YouTube, because YouTube has to take a look at you. Anyways, I got my cup of, I got my number one dad cup. One of my kids gave me this cup. Forgive me for not knowing. I got some water, because water is necessary for writers. I don't have any fruit because I ate all of my fruit yesterday. All of it. We're going to get right into this thing, y'all. We're not going to go too long here. We're going to get right into it. One thing I have been considering, though. Let me see. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause it right now. Okay. So as you can hear, I have the music playing now. I won't have to edit this in. This is either Bach or Beethoven or Mozart, one of them. I don't know, but this is what I'll probably do going forward now. Sometimes writing is, you got to have something to keep you flowing or to get you flowing. Now let's go. Hearing the bold croak of a frog, then seeing in the distance as it dove from one giant lily pad down through the dark surface of the water, then noticing a group of turtles as they slid into the water, evading intruders. It was official. The magic had begun. "Try not to make too much noise," said Henry. "Why not, Daddy?" asked Jacob. Should I change Jacob's name? Damn. Should I change Jacob's name? Trayvon? Trayvon it is. Trayvon it is. So, let's do this. Alright. It may come back to Jacob, but it's been Jacob for 25 years, y'all. 25 years it's been Jacob. And I don't even remember how to change it. It's been 5 years since. Oh man, let's see. How do you change the name? You know what I mean? Translate new. I forgot how to change the name, yo. So that may save Jacob for now. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to change it, though. You guys that don't even watch the video. Okay. "Try not to make too much noise," said Henry. "Why not, Daddy?" asked Jacob. "'Cause if there's any gators in this pond, noise is gonna stir them up. He might come after you." Cause if it's any gators in this pond, noise is gonna stir them up. And stirring up a gator is the last thing you do. And stirring up a hungry gator is the last thing you want to do. He might come after you, and stirring up a hungry gator is the last thing you want to do. You want to do. You want to do. He might come after you, the man insisted. Might get you right on that plump belly. Might get you on that plump belly of yours. Might get you on that plump belly of yours. He added while grabbing at the boy's stomach. I ain't scared of no gator, Jacob giggled. But if I saw a Bigfoot, I'd probably run all the way home like the Flash, leaving you standing right here. I'm sorry, Daddy, but I ain't messing with no Bigfoot, Jacob said with a laugh. Damn, now I'm hearing Trayvon. I gotta change it, man. I gotta figure out how to change it now, because I hadn't done this in so long. I have not written anything in so long. So let's see. Search, synonyms, translate, link. Oh boy, how do you change the damn name now? I have not done this in ages. I keep hearing Trayvon though. Jacob is kind of old-fashioned. I guess I'm hearing Trayvon because I wanna bring the story to the 2000s. I guess maybe 2008 just popped in my head. You know. Let's see. I may waste most of my time on my 15 minutes on trying to figure out how to change the name again. Let's see. New comment line, justify. Font, paragraph, search Jacob. Alright, let's do search Jacob. Wow, my computer is slow as hell. My computer is very cheap, y'all. That's not it. And I've had this computer for a while, quite some time. Yesterday I was working on my old computer, and that's even slower than this one. But I got it to speed up. I did a check this and I did a defrag, and it's working a little bit faster now. But anyways, let's Jacob, what is it? Insert? No. Man, see, that's why I need people watching my video. This old man is trying to, okay, replace. All right, replace Jacob. Replace all. Wait a minute. Damn. You made, what y'all replace it with? Do you want to continue searching? No. All right, let's go with Trayvon. And it's spelled like that. Let's go with that. Replace all. Alright, we made 0 replacements. Why? Okay, I'm gonna have to go back. Do you want to continue? No. Alright, close this. See, that's what happened. I replaced it with nothing, so I gotta go back now. Alright, now. Replace Jacob with replace all. 189. Do you want to continue searching? From beginning, let's go ahead. Yeah, all done. We made 194 replacements. So Trayvon is it? That's what it is now. That's what it is, y'all. And we spell it T-R. You spell it Trayvon. Yeah, that. Yeah, come on with it. I'm kind of getting in a groove. I think it may be the music. I ain't scared of no gator, Trayvon giggled. But if I saw a Bigfoot, I'd probably run all the way home like the Flash, leaving you standing right here. I'm sorry, Daddy, but I ain't messing with no Bigfoot, said Trayvon with a laugh. And the reason I'm using Trayvon is because I have a very soft spot for Trayvon Martin, the kid that died by that idiot George Zimmerman. I even wonder why George Zimmerman is still alive. It gets dark around. My mind goes to a very dark place when it comes to a few incidents. Trayvon Martin is one. Dylan Roof is another one. The guy that came here to the place I was born, my birthplace, Charleston, South Carolina, and killed 9 innocent people in a church. Mother Emanuel, I've been to that church several times. Hadn't been in a while. I need to go, but and then you have the other ones like what's her name? Breonna Taylor, yeah, asleep in her bed. So many of them, you know, where people just, I'm not even gonna go there. Anyways, watching his son as he painted his words with animation, Henry pressed hard to contain the laughter, but the boy continued overly expressing how fast he'd run. Looking into his eyes, seeing them stretch wider with every expression, remembering those same eyes on the face of his father when he told his elaborate stories. Soon Henry found himself so jammed with amusement he could no longer contain himself. He exploded with chuckles, hissing and spewing, before coughing out laughter everywhere. And as he snickered and hooted, his son continued to over-exaggerate, driving the stake deeper into his father's funny bone. Gasping, Henry bent with one hand on a knee, the other was holding his stomach, pleading for his son. Pleading without words for his son. Pleading without words. Sorry about that. Next time I have to sneeze, I'll pause it, but I thank you for the bless yous. I certainly need them. Now, when I say there was a point there where I wanted to speak, okay. All right, there was a point. I just read something that I wanted to speak on, but then I had to sneeze. Y'all forgive me. I've wasted a lot of time on this today, getting certain preliminaries or certain details in place. He exploded with chuckles, hissing and spewing, before coughing out laughter everywhere. And as he snickered and hooted, his son continued to over-exaggerate, driving the stake deeper into his father's funny bone. Gasping, Henry bent with one hand on a knee. The other was holding his stomach, pleading without words. Pleading. Let's put a comma there. Without words for his son to stop. He called for a timeout by putting one finger in the air. I think this is sort of what I wanted to say. So now I'm becoming invested in the story. And if you are someone who are watching these videos, maybe you are too. Like I said, at the time, my last 3 videos have 2 views. One view is from me, the other view is from YouTube. So absolutely, positively nobody is watching the videos. And I'm fine with that. I'm fine if nobody ever watches the videos, because this in itself, me reading out loud in real time, editing as I read, now I'm getting back into reading, and I'm getting back into writing, and I'm doing it from a different angle. So at the end of the day, this is a new skill for me. I'm almost at 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get to the red and stop. Little Trayvon had inherited. Little Trayvon had inherited his late grandfather's innate ability to drum up laughter in the simplest ways. He was a shark swimming in a sea of humor, and when he smelled blood, there was no letting up until tears flowed. "I'm telling you, Daddy, I'd run to the moon if I had to," the boy said. And if one of those big old alligators was to bite my foot off, I'd still be running and hobbling. As Henry continued laughing hysterically, joyful tears began running down his sun-baked face, a handsome bronze face, a face that had seen so much in his 38 years. Soon, it was like rivers. Soon, they were like rivers, traveling through grassy. Soon, they were like rivers traveling through grassy valleys. Streams of tears had found. Okay, let me turn this down a little bit. As Henry continued laughing hysterically, joyful tears began running down his sun-baked face, a handsome bronze face, a face that had seen so much in his 38 years. Soon, they were like rivers traveling through grassy valleys. Streams of tears had found his thick beard like an African delta. All right, so that's 17 minutes easily. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna call it quits for right now. I appreciate whoever's reading this, whoever's watching this video. We'll pick it back up here in the green. Got some more work to do. You never know. Trayvon may go back to Jacob. If I go up here, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna have to fix. When I put in Trayvon, it created a double space. What's going on here? Alright. Been 18 minutes already. Alright. We'll pick it back up here yet tomorrow. Salute to all you. Till next time. Wait a minute. Let me stop the video first.